quiet because I'm trying to concentrate, trying to get going perfectly around this tree. Really, that sun's put me off. It's like flickering through the trees. I had it a minute ago. Oh, close to the branches. There you go. That's great. Get down a bit. Bit too close. Right. Oh, good old went back. There was a branch there. Close call. I used one of my friends, his drones, Neo, when he got the goggles with it. So that was something brilliant with goggles. I'm going to see if I can get the cheap version of the goggles. So we'll go through the bench. Or under the bench. Are you gonna let me? Oh, sort of. Sort of went under. Let's see if we go through this bench. Whoa. We went through it anyway.